two circles with centers O and O dash of radii 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters respectively intersect at 2 points P and Q such that OP and O dash P are the tangents to the two circles. Find the length of the common chord PQ. This is the question we have. First, let us see the figure for this question. Then we can go for the solution. So, two circles with center O and O dash. Here is the first circle and here is the second circle, right? And O is the circle with center O has a radius of 3 centimeters and circle with center O dash has a radius of 4 centimeters. Right now, these two circles are intersecting each other at 2 points, that is P and Q. These are the 2 points. Right now, O dash P and OP. If you see here, OP and O dash P. This is the OP is a tangent to the bigger one, and O dash P becomes a tangent to the smaller circle. So here are the two tangents. Right, O dash P and OP are the two tangents to the two circles. Find the length of the common chord. Here you can see if you join this PQ, this becomes the common chord for the two circles. So this is the common chord, right? That is PQ. Now you have to find out the length of the common chord. For this case, what we will be doing is we will join this O dash and O, centers of the two circles, we will join it. Now the line which is joining the centers of two circles, right? It is intersecting or bisecting the chord, right? It is intersecting chord at one point. So we'll name that point as R. See, now it is intersecting the line that is O dash O is intersecting the chord PQ at a point. We'll name this as R. Right. So now what I have to find out? I have to find out the length of the common chord. That means I have to find out that is the length of PQ. This is the question what we have. Now when you go for the solution for this part, right. So here you can see the triangle OPO dash. Okay. OPO dash is one triangle. Now O dash P is a tangent to the smaller circle. Then O dash P is becoming as a radius of the circle, right? Radius of the bigger circle. So here in this case, let us, if you consider the triangle, consider triangle O dash PO. Okay. Now O dash P becomes the radius of the bigger circle, which is a tangent to the smaller circle. And OP is the radius of the smaller circle, which becomes a tangent to the bigger circle. So here, at this point, the angle formed will be 90 degrees, right? Radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So I can write that angle O dash PO equal to 90 degrees. If that is the case, then O dash PO becomes a right angle triangle, right? Therefore, O dash PO is a right angle triangle, right? Right angled triangle. Right. Anyhow, O dash P, this is 4 centimeters and OP, this is 3 centimeters. Right. So by Pythagoras theorem, what can I write? O dash O whole square is equal to O dash P whole square plus OP whole square. Right. So from this, when you go to the next step, what this becomes now? See, the same part will be here also. This is 4 centimeters and this is 3 centimeters. Right. So here O dash O whole square is equal to, I can write this as 4 square plus 3 square. So from this O dash O whole square is equal to 16 plus 9, 25. So O dash O is equal to root 25, that is 5 centimeters plus or minus. So obviously we'll be taking 5 centimeters. So O dash O, I got it. Now that means this complete part what we have here, this complete is 5 centimeters. Right. So now first what I will do here is, let us consider this O dash R as X. If O dash R is X, then what will be this OR? 5 minus X, right? This is what we will assume here. So let O dash R is equal to X centimeters. We know that O dash R plus OR is equal to O dash O. So from this, OR is equal to O dash O minus O dash R. O dash O got it as 5 and minus O dash R is X. So it will be 5 minus X centimeters. Right. And you already know that the line joining the centers of the two circles will be perpendicular to the common chord. So this angle will be 90 degrees. Right. This angle will be 90 degrees and also bisects the chord. So what I will do here is, that means what, PR is equal to RQ. The line joining the centers of two circles, it bisects the common chord and also perpendicular to the common chord. So now that means what, angle O dash RP or angle ORP will be 90 degrees. Right. So angle O dash RP and angle ORP, this also will be 90 degrees, and PR is equal to RQ. Right. Now I will consider triangle O dash RP. So from right angle triangle, since it is 90 degrees, so from triangle O dash RP, what can I write? O dash P whole square is equal to O dash R whole square plus PR square. So O dash P is 4 square is equal to O dash R is X square plus PR square remains as it is. So from here, what I will get, PR square is equal to 16 minus X square. Let us name this as equation 1. Now I will consider second triangle ORP. Right. So from triangle ORP. Right. So this is 3 centimeters. So this is 4 centimeters. This complete is 5. And this, if you took it as X, this is 5 minus X. So now from triangle ORP, what can I write similarly? OP square is equal to OR square plus PR square. Now here, OP square is 3 square. So 3 square is equal to OR is 5 minus X whole square plus PR square. So from here, PR square is equal to, this is 9. This complete goes to that side. That means minus of 5 minus X whole square. So PR square is equal to 9 minus of A minus B whole square formula, 25 plus X square minus 10X. A square plus B square minus 2AB. So from here this becomes PR square is equal to 9 minus 25 minus X square plus 10X. So this becomes PR square is equal to 9 minus 25 is minus 16 minus X square plus 10X. Let us name this as equation 2. Now from 1 and 2 equations, since LHS is equal, I can equate RHS, right? Here also PR square, here also PR square. So 1 and 2 equations, since LHS is same, when I equate RHS, what do I get? 16 minus X square is equal to minus 16 minus X square plus 10X. Right? So minus X square gets cancelled and this comes here, minus 16 comes to the left side, it becomes 16 plus 16, that is 32 is equal to 10X. So from here, X value is 32 by 10. Okay, so 32 by 10. So this becomes 3.2 centimeters, or you can keep it as it is only. 32 centimeters, you can keep it as it is, no problem. Now, after this, we got the X value. Now, what actually we have to find out? I have to find out PR. If I find out PR, then RQ also will be the same. Then when I add both, I will get PQ. Right. So here up to here we got it. Now next part, to get this PR part, here If you substitute in the first equation, PR square is equal to 16 minus X square here, on substituting in first equation, from first equation, PR square is equal to 16 minus 32 by 10 whole square, right? 16 minus 32 by 10 whole square. So this will be 16 minus 32 whole square. So when you go for 32 whole square, is something like 1024 by 100. So this is when you take the LCM and simplify, 1600 minus 1024 by 100, right? So 1600 minus 1024 will be 576 by 100. This is PR square value. So from here, PR will be, when you take out the square root, so this becomes root under 576 by root under 100. So that is 24 by 10, or else 2.4 centimeters. Got it? This is PR value. So since PR is 2.4, therefore RQ also will be 2.4 centimeters, right? Hence, finally, PQ becomes PR plus RQ, that is 2.4 plus 2.4, that is 4.8 centimeters. This is what we have to find out. I hope you got the solution here. Thank you.